Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get Udemy courses for free. There are a lot of interesting courses out there on the web, but we have to pay to get these courses. In this video you will see how you can get most of the courses, or specifically how you can get most of the Udemy courses for free. Before starting, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification when I bring such content for you guys. And please hit the like button because it gives me motivation to create such content for you guys. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your web browser. I'm using Firefox, so I'll open Firefox and go to google.com and search for real.discount. Then click on the first link which shows up. In this website, you need to scroll down and click on this Udemy coupon. Once you click on the Udemy coupon button, this site will open up. In this site, you can scroll down to see some of the coupons. You can see all the latest coupon from this button, or you can click over here which says new coupons. I'll click on the new coupons button, and in this page you can see that I have a lot of coupons which are 100% free, and these coupons are giving me the course at $100. Some are giving me 100% coupons, that means I'll get the course for free and I don't have to pay anything. So just for the purpose of this video, let us consider this course. So this course is a JavaScript course and it is on Udemy platform because it says Udemy over here, and it is related to development. For example, this course is specifically related to web development. Now let us see some information about this coupon. Coupon was posted 9 hours ago and the duration of this course is 2 hours. This coupon will give me 100% discount. The original cost of the course is $20 and this is the name of the course. So let us click on this coupon. In this coupon page, you will see all those information which we had in the previous page. This information over here tells us that the course will expire in 16 hours. And these many coupons are still remaining to be claimed. This number denotes the number of students who have taken the course. In this case, it is 13,290. This is the rating of the course and this is the duration of the course, that is 2 hours. Now we will simply click on get coupon button, but before that make sure you are logged in your Udemy account. Open the Udemy webpage on the new tab and check if you are logged in your account. You can see that I am logged into my account. Once you're logged in successfully, go back to the discount site and click on get coupon. On clicking this button, the course page will be opened in a new tab. And then it will show me what is the cost of the course. So on using this coupon, I can see that the course has become free for me. You can also scroll down and see what was the coupon. So you can see this highlighted text is the coupon which has been applied to this course to get this course for free. Now if I search the same name on Udemy in order to see if I really got a discount or was the course actually free. To do this, you need to copy the course name and simply paste the same course name in order to search for the course. This is the same course for which we got the discount. Let's JavaScript newbie friendly part 1. Click on this course. You can see that the course is costing me 360 rupees. But when I switch tab and see the discount page, I can see that I'm getting the course for free. Now I have two options. I can add this course to cart or I can enroll it now. I'll simply click on enroll now. Now this is the checkout page and it says that my cart is free. I have got a discount of rupees 1280, and therefore I am getting this course for free. Now if I click on enroll now, this will enroll me to the course, which is this one, Let's JavaScript. So just for the sake of this video, I'll click on enroll now, and now the page will reload, and we can see that I have successfully enrolled myself for this course. You can start your course by clicking on the start course button. Click on the start course button, and you can see all the course contents. I'll just skip this part, and you can see all the course contents which have been made available to you. So you can access all the parts of this course, and once you complete the course you will be given the certificate. You can claim your certificate by clicking on this your progress button and then get your certificate. So this is a method by which you can get a course from Udemy for free. First of all, you have to go to Google and then search for real.discount. Then choose the first website, go for Udemy coupons, and then see for the latest coupons. You can even search for a specific course, or you can browse the catalog of this website and then click on the coupon code. Then it will take you to the course page, and then you have to enroll it from that course page. So that's it for this video, guys. I will come up with a new video very soon, and stay home and stay safe. Keep learning and upskill yourself. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and click on the notification icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching.